Welcome to our channel. Filing a home insurance claim after storm damage requires quick action and thorough documentation. Follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your claim settlement. Step 1. Ensure everyone's safety first and make temporary repairs to prevent further damage. Document all emergency repairs with photos and receipts, as these are typically reimbursable. Step 2. Contact your insurance company immediately to report the claim. Note your claim number and the adjuster's contact information for all future communications. Step 3. Document all damage thoroughly by taking extensive photos and videos from multiple angles. Capture both overview shots and close-ups of every damaged area. Step 4. Make a detailed inventory of damaged personal property, including descriptions, approximate ages, and purchase prices if known. Use photos from before the storm if available. Step 5. Protect your property from further damage by covering broken windows, tarping roof holes, or removing water. Save all receipts for materials and services used. Step 6. Meet with the insurance adjuster and walk them through all damaged areas. Point out everything damaged, even minor items, as they may not notice everything. Step 7. Review the adjuster's estimate carefully before accepting. If you disagree with their assessment, document why and provide contractor estimates for comparison. Step 8. Consider hiring a public adjuster if the damage is extensive or the claim is denied. They work for you, not the insurance company, and can help maximize your settlement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.